been trying to up my game a little bit, trading 2 micros, 2 chicken balls at a time, up over $500 now, only trading for 15 minutes. Had a nice bounce right off of the lower Bollinger Band on the 60-minute here. Some nice, had the delta peeking out down here, a couple of overbought, oversold signals. Nice 40-point move up. Got my market order buttons, then I've got to buy the next up candle or sell the next down candle so I can catch some of these quick renko moves. These are both 2 separate Ninja indicators, just attached to the chart as indicators. Get a scalp back up to the nipple area. Got some overbought, oversold. Had our delta peeking out to the negative. Got a little bit of positive delta coming in. If I'm looking at the 1 minute though, there's some pretty major negative delta there. Let's see, we're looking for a pushback up to this nipple area. We're coming down to the lows and our histogram is a little higher here. Got some divergence. Give a nice push to the upside. Coming up to the nipple. Oh, I was gonna say, almost one tick me. So yep, just trading a couple chicken balls, up over $600, 20 minutes in. I can trade up to 100 chicken balls on my 50K accounts. 100 chicken balls. It's one of the many reasons I really like Apex. They didn't allow you to trade the full ratio of micros for a long time, and everyone just bitched and complained for so long. They finally listened and gave the people what they wanted. They're pretty cool like that. Coming up to VWAP here, pivot point. I mean, these moves happen so quick. That's why I never really liked renkos. But I got this higher time frame. I used to trade a 5-1 renko, like way. What was that? 2016. 2016. I was trading some 5-1 renkos. That was pretty crazy. But I had one of my best days ever doing that. I had a whole renko system. But I thought I'd slow it down a little bit and double it, try a 10-2. And then I got a 24, even slower time frame. I had one with Fibonacci numbers over here for it was like 34 and 7, even higher time frame. But I decided to put up the 5-minute just because I don't want to be a total fish out of water. I want to have my 5-minute, my 1 minute like I always have. Coming up to the 20 SMA on the 60-minute. See, I've been taking longs like pretty much all day. I don't know why I just got into stupid short. Let's see if we can get a push back to VWAP. Got some pretty good delta coming in too on the 1 minute. Ooh, shit, and the 5-minute. I'm out. You're gonna come up here and fill the gap. Go back to this overnight open here. 1400 delta, that's pretty good. Might be coming up to this 3-day nipple up here. It's all about this 1400 delta on the 5-minute. And the fact that we broke above VWAP. Our delta peeking out to the downside. Got our overbought, oversold triple signal here. Let's see if we can push up through these highs here. Starting to smell something fishy, man. About to pull the fuck out. We gonna go up to this 3-day nipple, or are we gonna come back down to the 1-day nipple? By the look at this delta boner, I think we're gonna do some titty fucking up here, baby. Big old delta boner on the 5-minute, going to titty fuck The 3-day nipple. Blam! Got a cross above the VWAP. 9 EMA. Thinking we're definitely coming up here. Got it. Just a few seconds. 10 o'clock. Up a grip. Was trading pretty freaking sloppy today. Trying to trade these Renko charts. It's hard to keep up, but I kind of like them too. Up like $700. Mostly long trades. I took that one stupid short trade that I lost that I got out of, and glad I got out of it. But not too bad. $700 in half hour. Trading double chicken balls. 4 accounts using my Replicanto. Got my Replicanto here. Just trading the exact quantity across all accounts, but I can trade like a ratio, trade 2 times, 3 times, 4 times on different accounts. I can have a cross order and have it trade the NQ on some accounts when I'm trading the MNQ on others. And look what happened. We got up to the overnight open. We had this big delta boner and we came up and titty fucked this 3-day titty. We're right on the nipple now. The 3-day volume profile. Ooh, we got a big delta dot on the 10. Man, I just really don't want to short this at all, so I might wait till it comes back down a little bit more, get a bounce up. Got a lot of delta coming in on the 1 minute here to the downside. We had that delta dot up here earlier. This thing moves so fast it's already gone. That big delta dot was printed by my volume delta ninja indicator. I actually wrote to them and requested that they make markers to go along with the corresponding high and mid-range delta volumes, and they totally made that upgrade and changed the indicator based on my suggestion. I was really impressed. So yeah, it's cool. We have these markers print, alert you to mega negative delta coming in. We came down to 40, pretty much right where that 20 SMA is on the 60 minute, right there. Bounced up 15 points. Yeah, I definitely might get rid of one of these Renko charts and have the 60 minute up. 60 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, and 1 Renko chart. I like changing things up. I like a variety. I'm a Gemini. We like variety. But I always have that base set up with all my big 5 things that I like to look out for. Always got the base set up. These overbought, oversold signals seem to be pretty dang accurate on the 24 Renko chart. 20 points down there, 20 points up there. Pretty cool. I mean, I definitely wouldn't only trade every time one of those signals popped up, but it's a Ninja indicator, the multi-overbought, oversold indicator. It's when like 3 different oscillators, I think it's the MFI, the RSI, and the stochastic, enter into overbought or oversold territory. It'll I think it prints these little dots, and then when it finally crosses back up, it gives you the signal. Trying to keep all the original audio. I'm just turning the volume down on my music. Hopefully it cuts out enough where I don't have to worry about it. Doing those voiceovers and doing the editing, man, it's like a 2-hour job when I record a whole hour straight, and then I have to watch back that whole hour and chop it down to a watchable 10-minute segment or so. It's like, literally takes like 2 hours out of my day, plus an extra 20 minutes to upload it to the channel. So I don't know how long I'm going to be doing that. I might figure out something else to make videos about. Definitely like seeing comments from people. That's awesome. Having the interaction, knowing people are out there enjoying the videos that I'm making. So thanks to everyone that's contributed to that. Much appreciated. I'm trying to get some more views on this channel. It blew up that one day I did the Patrick Whelan video, and then I stopped doing those, and no one's really watching because they don't care about MonkeyMan. Fuck. But I know there's a few hardcore fans out there. You guys are awesome, keeping me motivated to make some more videos. I mean, really, I'm just doing what I want to do. Just if people like it, that's cool. But just making stuff to listen to myself talk really help hone my system and just have something out there, a little legacy of some kind. So we did not break above the overnight open. We rejected like a motherfucker. We had a lot of negative delta coming in back here. The overbought, oversold indicator seems to be much more accurate on my 20/4 Renko chart. It's some cumulative delta divergence in that chart. I could have hit the buy up button on the end of bar ordering tool. Caught that move right there without, I could have clicked it anywhere along here and it would have only entered right at that first up bar. Nice 20-point bounce up there. Had that volume delta indicator print a dot up here because we had some moderate negative delta on this 20/4 Renko chart. And yeah, price dropped 20 points from there. Coming up to 10:30, got some overbought, oversold signals on this Renko chart. Cumulative delta is showing some divergence there as price is making new lows, but the cumulative delta is higher. Got in on a little bounce trade. So we were all up on this titty, hanging out the nipple for a while, rolled down, hanging out this nipple. We got a bounce right off this major titty, back up.